Regular exercise is of utmost importance for senior citizens, as it provides numerous physical, mental, and emotional benefits that contribute to a better quality of life. Engaging in a well-rounded exercise routine tailored to their abilities and needs can have a transformative impact on the overall health and well-being of men and women over 50. One of the primary reasons why exercising is crucial for senior citizens is its ability to maintain and improve physical strength and flexibility. As individuals age, muscle mass naturally declines, leading to a decrease in overall strength. Regular exercise, especially resistance training, helps combat this muscle loss by stimulating muscle growth and preserving bone density. This not only enhances physical strength, but also promotes better balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. Moreover, exercise plays a pivotal role in managing chronic conditions commonly associated with aging. Conditions like heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and osteoporosis can be better controlled through regular physical activity. Exercise helps improve cardiovascular health, reduces blood pressure, lowers cholesterol levels, and enhances insulin sensitivity, thereby reducing the risk and severity of these conditions. It also aids in managing joint pain, increasing joint flexibility, and preserving bone health. In addition to the physical benefits, exercising has profound positive effects on mental and cognitive health. Research suggests that regular physical activity can help improve cognitive function, memory, and attention span in older adults. Exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which alleviate stress, anxiety, and depression. It also promotes better sleep patterns, boosts self-esteem, and enhances overall mood and well-being. Furthermore, engaging in exercise fosters social interaction and a sense of community, which is particularly important for senior citizens who may experience feelings of isolation or loneliness. Participating in group fitness classes or exercise programs provides opportunities to meet like-minded individuals, form friendships, and develop a support network, thus enhancing overall mental and emotional well-being. It is essential to emphasize that exercise programs for seniors should be tailored to their specific needs and abilities. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a qualified fitness instructor can help create an exercise plan that takes into account any pre-existing health conditions or physical limitations, ensuring safety and effectiveness. In conclusion, regular exercise is of utmost importance for senior citizens. It improves physical strength and flexibility, helps manage chronic conditions, enhances cognitive function, boosts mental well-being, and fosters social interaction. By incorporating exercise into their daily lives, men and women over 50 can experience improved overall health, increased vitality, and a higher quality of life.